Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix missing Instagram without notes. Open your Instagram app. First, you need to tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on these three lines in the top right corner. Now you need to go to settings and privacy option in here. Then scroll down a bit and you can find this account type and tools option. So click on it. Next, you need to click on the switch to professional account option. Then just click the continue button here. Do as I do. So here you need to select the what type of person you are and click on the done button after that. Now select someone you want to like and click on the next button. Next you need to tap on this icon in the top left corner. Then you will see the missing Instagram notes. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.